Hey everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to log out of Yubo account. So let's get started. Begin by launching your Yubo application. Make sure you're logging to your Yubo account. Then tap on your profile icon at the top right corner of your screen. Tap on the gear icon which is at the top right corner of your screen. Scroll down until you find Logout button. Tap on it. And if you're sure, tap on Logout once again. And this is how you can log out of Yubo account. Thanks for watching Online Help Guide. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on our future videos.